let's take a shower, and I'm gonna put the camera somewhere closer because the camera was, I think, very far. And the nature is just amazing, just amazing. And the water, it's really nice and cool and refreshing. Just perfect. Something wonderful just to do the work. Just amazing. The nature is unbelievable. Water is so refreshing. Just amazing. Yeah. Live your life. One day or day one, you got to choose. I need to bring you closer because it's something spectacular. It's something spectacular, I'm telling you. I just came back from Holland. I just came back from Mexico and somebody just inspired me about this thingy. Let's come closer because it's so amazing how it looks like. Look, water is so amazing. Water is so amazing. So I'm gonna start my journey. I hope you will love it. You will love it because I do travel sometimes, but I didn't record that much. I didn't talk that much. I was just putting some random stuff. I didn't put focus to that. But I'm in the really beautiful places sometimes, and I think I need to start recording and putting it onto the vlog, like do more serious stuff. And inspire you because I do read a lot of biographies, sport people, successful people. I'm trying to learn as much as I can, like many people try to do, and be somebody meaningful, make an impact in the world, in some other people's lives, to inspire them. So I have that seed inside of me. I would love to inspire somebody, help somebody to achieve some goals. And yeah, to make smile their faces. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it and you're gonna have fun with me during that funny, nice, inspired journey, happy, full of happiness. And the thing, you also can do it because life is so precious and amazing. We can do it, amazing things. Look, I'm in the nature alone. I'm vibing alone. Look, with the waterfall. with the waterfall. And you know what? I love it. I put a little bit on weight because I've been traveling and I didn't put much time, but still the nutrition is there. So yeah, you will love it. Enjoy this with me. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Hey, the camera getting crazy. Look at this view. Switzerland. Have a look. Have a look. Whoop. Gimbal getting crazy now a little bit. But it's so good. So good, so good, so good, so good. Yes. Endpoint reached. But it's amazing. The water is so fresh. I'm freaking out. I'm really freaking out because of the water. So let's have fun. Please subscribe me, follow me, observe me, inspire also. Give some feedbacks. Let's help each other. Let's have fun together. Let's achieve some amazing things in this beautiful life. So I hope you're gonna have fun too. Weather is so good, so good. The view is gorgeous. Jean-Pierre Marek, coach online. Subscribe me please, follow me on Instagram, on YouTube also. I hope you're gonna enjoy that. See you next time.